Hello and welcome to the eWay-CRM tutorial series. I'm Eve, your virtual consultant, and today I'm going to show you how to save emails from the classic Outlook for Windows to eWay-CRM Desktop. A quick intro before we begin. This technology needs both your classic Outlook for Windows and eWay-CRM Desktop to be on. It does not work if your PC is off. People like it because it supports various email protocols, such as Microsoft 365, Exchange, IMAP, POP3, Hero, and their combinations. If you only use Microsoft 365, consider saving emails using eWay-CRM Online. We made a video that takes you through. The link is in this video description. But back to email saving in eWay-CRM Desktop. Email saving is a great feature that makes a copy of your emails and saves them into eWay-CRM, including all attachments. eWay automatically links the emails with all corresponding contacts and companies, and you can additionally select deals or projects. Once the email is in eWay-CRM, it will automatically become available to the rest of your team, and you are free to move it to your Outlook archive. If you open a contact or a deal, you will find all related emails, no matter who sent them. You can stop putting people on CC and forward emails back and forth. Email saving in eWay-CRM makes it so much easier. We have two options for how to save emails into eWay-CRM Desktop. The first option is manual and the second one is automatic. Let's have a look at them now. Option 1. Saving emails to eWay-CRM Desktop manually. As the name suggests, manual saving gives you control over what email is saved and shared with the rest of your team. It is you who decide which message gets to eWay-CRM and which does not. eWay-CRM will still help you link the email with the proper items. Let's have a look at it. The easiest way to save an email to eWay-CRM is to right-click on it and select Save to eWay-CRM. eWay will copy the email including all attachments and try to find the right contact according to the email address. Let's open it to show you how it works. This is what the email looks like in eWay-CRM. If I click the individual tabs, such as contacts, I will see which ones of them were found in eWay-CRM and linked with the email. If we didn't find anything, you can create the contact by pressing Add New. You know the drill from our past videos. If the contact has a company fill-in, such as ours, we link the email with that company too. See? Here it is. You can link the email with your deals or projects by using the superior item. Of course, it works the other way around. When you open the contact or the company, our email will be there as well. Remember, to save your cloud space, we only keep one copy of your email in eWay-CRM, and we link it with multiple objects, contacts, companies, deals, etc. If you save an email to eWay-CRM, you can also find it in eWay-CRM Online. Let me show you. I can go right to emails to see all messages saved in eWay-CRM. This is the one we saved. Or quickly find our contact and check the hub. Here it is, our email. If I open it, I get the complete overview including all attachments. Simple. Two last things before we move forward. First, the right-click saving option allows you to save multiple emails at once, which is especially useful when you want to import your older messages. Just select 10 emails, right-click on them, and save them to eWay-CRM. The more emails you select, longer it takes. That's why we recommend starting with 10 emails and selecting more when you understand how it works. Second, saving attachments. You can get an attachment that is more important than the email itself, such as a PDF sent right from your customer scanner. Right-click on the email and instead of saving it, save the attachments. eWay-CRM will ask you which ones are important and save them as documents. The rest is the same. The right-click saving option is great if you don't care about organizing emails by deals or projects. If you do, I have something better for you. I call it the superior item option. The drill is very simple. Double-click on an email to open it and check the field Superior Item at the bottom of the screen. That's one of the fields eWay-CRM Desktop added to your Outlook. It enables you to choose your deal or project quickly. If the deal or project doesn't exist, click this plus button to add it. I will select an existing one. Just start typing to find it. When you're done, eWay-CRM instantly saves the email and links it with your deal or project, contact, and company. You don't need to press any other confirmation button. Just select the superior item, and that's it. If you make a mistake, change your selection, and eWay-CRM will fix all links for you. What I like is this small field Categories. It allows you to further categorize your messages and make them easier to find the right emails. Let me select a category inquiry because the customer needs me to quote our products. If I open the deal and click the tab Emails, I will find it there. See? Here it is. If you don't have it, you can add a column categories to see what are the other emails about. The right-click and superior item options are simple ways how to save emails to eWay-CRM and make them available throughout your team. eWay-CRM will automatically organize the emails by contacts, companies, deals, or projects depending on what you want. What I like about both manual saving options is that I keep the whole process under control. I only save and share important emails. But what if our company policy or even federal law requires saving all communications? That's where people turn on the automatic email saving. Let's check it out. Option 2. Automatic email saving in eWay-CRM Desktop. If you want to make your life easier, you can activate the automatic email saving. It automatically captures your incoming and outgoing emails and saves them to eWay-CRM depending on the rules you set up. We again copy your emails to eWay-CRM, making them available to the rest of your team. If you delete the email from your Outlook, it stays in eWay-CRM and vice versa. If you delete it from eWay-CRM, it stays in your Outlook. To turn on the automatic email saving, click the tab eWay-CRM Desktop and press eWay-CRM Settings. Activate the tab Emails to check our options. This video is about saving emails from Outlook, so I'll choose this one. If you need to automatically save emails from Microsoft 365, check out our other video. The link is in the description. This is a great feature that automatically assigns the category Saved in eWay-CRM to every email saved in the database. If you go through your inbox, you can instantly see which emails are saved because they contain the category. Outlook allows you to set the category color, which makes it even better, like my green. But back to the settings. The next section is about the rules. We split them into two parts, incoming emails and outgoing emails. Both allow you to say if you want to track emails from contacts, users, and companies. What does it mean? If you receive an email, eWay-CRM will try and find the sender's email address in contacts, users, or companies based on your selection. It works similarly for outgoing emails. Our best practice is to check the first and third settings in each section. eWay-CRM will track emails from your contacts and companies, but not from users. This way, you will avoid saving and sharing internal communications, which are sometimes sensitive. This leads me to my second recommendation. Make sure you don't keep your colleagues as contacts. They should be listed as users. If you keep them as contacts and send your colleague an email, this email will be saved to eWay-CRM. So again, your colleagues are not contacts. They are users. Let's click OK and test it. Ha! One of my customers has just sent me an email. Give it a second or two, and here we are, my green category. This means that the message was saved in eWay-CRM. If I find the contact and open it, I will find my email. Here it is. Saving outgoing emails works semi-automatically. Let me show what I mean. It doesn't matter if I respond to this one or send a new email. Since I have checked that I want to track emails for contacts and companies, eWay-CRM will automatically check if the recipient's email is listed in any of them. Since it is, in my case, we pop up with this dialog that is asking you for a final approval. It's a handy dialog because you can additionally select a deal or a project, assign a category, or even cancel saving this one email if it's not important. I will select my deal and click Save. eWay-CRM will remember my choice, and if the customer responds to my email, the email will be linked with the deal automatically. I just need to select it once. Some customers like a combination of manual save and automatic save. They keep saving incoming emails manually because they understand that not all emails are worth being shared. But they also activate the automatic saving of outgoing emails because of the pop-up dialog. Whenever they send an email, the dialog reminds them to save it to eWay-CRM. You know your options. Find what works for you. One last thing before we end today. If you need to force the automatic email tracking for all your team members, you can do it in the Admin Center. Go to Features, General, and scroll to the section Emails. This set of parameters allows you to select a group of users you want to turn it on for. Simple. You can also review the remaining settings. There can be something you like. All are well documented in our documentation. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. You can also join our Reddit group and chat with other users. And most importantly, be effective with eWay-CRM.